Hi guys, I hope to teach a chemistry class in the near future, and a book that I would use is called A Silent Spring by Rachel Carson. Just to give you guys some background information, there is a major pesticide being used in the mid-1940s up until like mid-1970s called DDT, and it was highly advertised by the U.S. government that it was safe to use, that it was even safe enough to eat. So it was highly used by farmers and even, regular U.S. citizens in their households. However, scientists were very skeptical of how safe it was because of its chemical structure. And so one particular scientist, Rachel Carson, she was a biologist. She she collected scientific data for about 4.5 years to kind of prove her argument that that DDT and other pesticides are very harmful, not only to the environment but to species and humans. And so, and she used a lot of chemistry for that, and it's all the chemistry is listed in the book that I would love to use and to help my students learn and actually understand that chemistry is used in real life context. And so her collected data turned into this book, Silent Spring, and it actually was very effective in raising awareness. The purpose of her book was to raise awareness to the public that pesticides were very harmful, and it resulted in DDT being banned. And so I'm hoping that this book will help students understand the importance of being educated and being informed of all the environmental issues that are going on, and chemicals and substances that are harmful to the environment and to ourselves. And so before reading the book, I would want to establish the purpose of reading it. I think that would really help students just kind of focus and just kind of care about what they're going to read, rather than just telling them, okay, we're going to read this book, but actually, giving a purpose as to why we're reading it. And then during the reading, I would want to ask questions. I would want to pause during reading and then ask the class questions, just to make sure that they're understanding the content and they're understanding what they're reading. And then after reading the text, I would want them to form criticisms. So I would want them to kind of write their own opinion of what they read, and I would want them to write if, or agree if the author did a good job in supporting her argument through all the evidence that she gave, or disagree. And I would want them to use evidence from the text to support their argument. So yeah, those are the strategies I would use. Have a happy Thanksgiving.